Hey, welcome back to 2-Minute How-To. Real quick, I'm going to show you how to hang a towel bar the right way. Let's get to the video. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get through this pile of mess. This is all the stuff they send you to hang this thing. I'm going to end up using these. Okay, there's different kinds of anchors. We're going right into sheetrock, so I'm going to use those. These are your brackets that it's going to eventually mount to. You need a tape measure right here. You need a drill with the appropriate size bit, and you need a Phillips bit. Alright, so once I get it identified where exactly I'm going to put my towel bar, I'm going to set this bracket up there like so, mark each hole, and then I'm going to drill my hole and set my anchors. So let me show you how I do that. Now we're going to put our anchors in, like so. You want your drill bit to be slightly smaller than the outside edge of your anchor. Now we're going to put our bracket up there and put our screws in. Okay, that looks good. Now, I've got it marked down here about where the next one's going to go. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to do after you get your first bracket installed is get your level. Okay, lay it on the top side of the bracket, get your level line, measure over the distance between each bracket, put you a mark, and put your bracket up there and drill your holes and set your anchors. That's going to mark the top of the bracket. Alright, so once again we're going to drill our holes, set our anchors, and install the bracket. Okay, these brackets do have a little bit of wiggle room to slide them up and down. I'm going to check level again, and if I have to slide it down and then tighten it up, or lift it up and then tighten it up, that's what I'm going to do. And let's see, it's looking pretty good. So we're probably just going to go with that. Okay, so all you want to do is just clip this on. It just fits right over the top of it. So clip that on right there, and then we just tighten them up. Okay, once you got this just clipped on your bracket, you're going to come up underneath here and tighten up that Allen on both sides, and then you're done. And there you have it. Hey, thanks for watching 2-Minute How-To. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.